Yo, how's it going, YouTube? I want to do a quick little install video on this SerialNine Shifter for the CD trans. Be a quick little video. Need a few tools. Need a little vice grip, size 12 wrench or socket, roll pin, punch set, and whatever hammer you want to use. I'm ready to just get right into it. Start removing the roll pin on this. I'm not sure what it's called. This shaft right here. The first pin's gonna be a 1/8 pin, and the second one's gonna be a 7/32 pin. You just remove your shifter, your tripod, pull this boot back, and there'll be the roll pins right here. I got the first one out. It's 2 pins. So that was the 1/8, and then the second one is the 7/32. Let's see if I can get it out. Alright, got that one out as well. Put your punches back in place. You'll see the pin's out, so it should come right off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the boot or not. Not too sure. No. Yeah, so I'll be removing the boot, and then this little guy is what takes its place. Let's see. So I believe, yeah, slides in. You put the little peg down, and it comes with its own roll pin that you gotta press and install. I'll grab the roll pin with a set of vice grips right here. Let me see. I'm gonna try to compress it a little bit, and then I'll hammer it in a bit. Let's see. Not too sure how much I'll be able to get it to compress. Kind of kicking my ass right now. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna probably put this on the vise real quick and get the pin in, and then I'll be back. All right, so I got it started on the vise. Get the little roll pin punched through, and then we'll see if it won't slide on here. Probably gonna massage it on there real quick. There we go. You got it started. Alrighty. Alright, so I got it punched all the way through. And they say to leave it flush on the backside. It could protrude out here, but you want it flush on the backside for clearancing. All right, that's probably the worst part of the install. Next is the shifter. I'm gonna slip it in here. Slip that shaft right through here. So let's see how that goes. All right, went in pretty easy. And once I put the little spacer in, it comes with 2 different spacers. And for my style transmission, it's this one. Not sure which transmission takes that one, but mine takes these flush spacers. Let's see. I'm gonna drop one in to get it started. I'm gonna put the other one in right now. Let's see. Make sure the bolt holes line up. Let's see. Damn, SerialNine is they did good with this shifter. Easy install, and it looks good. It's a good looking shifter. It's only two bolts up top and then 1 bolt on either side. Like I said, I'm not sure what the variation is between trans, but it has 2 mounting bolts right here, mounting holes, and then it has like a oblong hole up top. So I'm not sure which transmission takes which, but this is how it fit up on mine. This is the in 05, I believe. I'm sorry, in 06 CD9. So let me get these tightened up real quick. Oh, you're using wrenches instead of sockets. Sorry about that. And I won't leave it installed. I'm gonna pull. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna leave this installed when I'm gonna install the trans, but I do want to see it with the shifter installed. Let's see. You got a little adjustable shift mount. I guess it's like 3 inches of adjustment, or 2.5. I'm not sure, but you got a good amount of adjustability here for a shifter location. So you essentially could have it back here. Let me turn this strap out real quick. Furthest back position, and then furthest forward. or you know, I guess off to the side. I'm not sure. I guess you can pretty much put it whatever you want. Have it in the middle. Maybe switch the mounting to the middle. Pretty dope. I'm gonna tighten it up as is right there in the middle. Then I'll see how it feels. Pretty dope. And the trans is empty right now, no fluid, so it's pretty clunky, but and I believe it has, I'm not sure if it has reverse lockout. Not too sure. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but pretty dope. Dope shifter, easy install, and it'll give me a good shifter position for, you know, for keeping it within this area where OEM would be. There she is, SerialNine. Simple video, probably another sloppy video, but it is what it is. All right, y'all. I'll be installing some of these parts. I'll maybe start with the adapter plate and flywheel for next video and see where we go from there. Maybe clutch, all that good stuff. All right, y'all.